What's up, guys? This is my bike set. So I got the ODI grips. As you can see, they're pretty popular here in Ohio, Dayton. Have a little iPhone sticker and some cast just in case I need it. Then I got another phone and that. Oh, heroin. That's what I want to do right now. But then I got Stampy the cat crying. And then I got some other stickers. There, you guys can see. And then we got some other stickers. Oh. Okay, so there's arms. There's the crappy mountain biking. Here is my chain, kind of rusty, as you can see on my fingers. I got my helmet with some stickers. A little heart. And we got some money, diamonds, all kinds of crap. So that is my bike. And we got the DK seat, but with the tear. It's not like a little brain. The missile or bullet air caps. You can see. And then we got this thing, which is, I don't know really what that's called, but we got the DK stickers. Pretty awesome thing down there, you know, well, stem. Guess that's what you can call it. Here is where your pegs go. Oh, and now one thing. Have to go this way. So what you guys are going to do? We'll be filming at the skate park pretty soon, so got some pegs. You can see. Red pegs. I don't really go with this bike because it's all black. But I have some black pegs over there somewhere. So we're going to try to put these babies on. I'm pretty sure they can go on. They will not go on, so I guess these are front pegs. Put that right here. So apparently, as you can see, pegs are a pain in the frickin'. Was I scared normally? What do you think's better, Xbox or PS3? Or a PS4? I play PS3, I have a Advanced Warfare. So I'm going to take this peg off because it's one of my friends. They left it here, so I can go get my original pegs. And they have the last one, so let's go get those original pegs. Gloves. So I got these things. One of those fell off at the skate park, so kind of sucked. But one thing There's a dent right there. So, that'll be it for this video, guys. Drop a like, and please subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Bye.